Buying a home is about investing in a brighter future for our families, our communities, and for our planet. Our team understands that environmentally conscious clients care not just about a home's price and location, but also about a home's efficient use of energy, healthy building materials, and the home's ecological footprint on the planet. Studies have shown that properly marketed, sustainable homes return a 5% premium over other homes. If you're looking to buy or sell a high-performance home, you will need more than an agent. You will need a real estate agent who has gone through specialized training on how low-carbon living translates into value in the real estate marketplace. Sustainable homes make for healthy families, clean communities, and a greener planet. If the environment matters in your home purchase or sale, ask us about our green designated agents and about how we use the Pearl certification to properly market high-performance properties.